This is an old barn at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Doylestown, Pennsylvania. This barn dates to around 1800, and the farm is still actively used. We use it as a nursery and greenhouse growing area where we grow and sell trees and shrubs. If you'd like to come see inside this barn, please make arrangements and call us at 215-651-8329. We'd be glad to show you around and also to show you some of the trees and shrubs that we grow here at Highland Hill Farm.
Thank you for visiting Highland Hill Farm in Bucks County, PA.